join us as we repot this Wisteria for the first time. Join us. Well, welcome back everybody to the channel. So we're working with this Wisteria that we got from Mel from Lake Elsinore about a little over a year ago now. Did nothing but watered it, moved it around, and just kind of let it grow. Right now what I'm doing is I'm going to repot it. I'm not sure what kind of potting that Mel grew this in. You can tell that's like it's two-dimensional because this was against a wall. And literally it was against a flat wall and everything was going forward. And I just threw it in the ground basically, found some free spot. Look at the soil mix. It's not the pots, you can tell the pot's no longer, or the tree's no longer tried with the pot. I'm not gonna make a pot what kind of potting mix he used. Because it has like a lot of stone in it. Like the first time I've ever seen like, it's not, like it looks like river stone. Not sure what you use, but it's agate or whatever you use. But we're gonna repot this using Boon mix. We put it back in the same pot, and then hopefully this year it gets really strong. I'm gonna cut some of these things really short, try and get it back into shape, and then get some of these lower branches kind of grow back out, and then put it in the back bench or back bench, and then let it be like that. But yeah, this one's gonna be really quick, just a quick repot, see what condition it is underneath right now, and then get some of the weeds out, and then that's it. So join us. I'll turn the camera around. You can see what I'm doing on this side. Okay. Alrighty, so let's back at this repotting season. Hope you guys are having a great time. I'm gonna move this a little over. I always like working on this, pet weavy pads. Makes life a lot easier when to clean up. So that's kind of the reason I use it. This is not, I think the tie down has rotted out. I wonder if you use like galvanized wire. I'm not sure what he used, but it's all good and dandy. Pop that bad boy out. I'm not sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Let me move my camera. There we go. Hope you guys are having a good beginning of the year into your repotting season. I think mostly everybody has either started the repotting season or yeah, I'm not sure what kind of potting mix Mel used before. But I'm just gonna get pretty aggressive on this one. And try to bare root it as much as I can. Get this root ball pretty buried when I'm done with it. Con is they're not very good as bonsai, like small bonsai, medium-sized bonsai. These are really like designed to be like ginormous bonsai. Just because how they grow, their growth habits. They like their vines. It's a root ball. what else I can do? Let me clean this pot out. Some bugs. I usually like to use like a 1.5 aluminum wire to wire into my pot. I'm gonna use that as the tie downs for my tree. Everybody has their own way of doing tie down, so there's no wrong way. Just as they said, get her done. I'm just measuring it, so I bend the wire. I have right spot. so this is the final repotting process. I still have to make sure there's no more air gaps or gaps in the soil line. But I did change the repotting. I like this as a friend. It's a nice white Nabari to look at. This branch is for sure getting shortened. This branch is for sure getting shortened. This is nice movement down that middle there. But yeah, much needed repot really quick. Let's see where this tree ends up. I'm gonna leave it in full sun. I will wire some of these lower branches, and then let's see where it takes off. I will feed it pretty aggressively this year and see where it goes. I'm trying to make sure a lot of these old wounds are either sealed because they do rot pretty quick. If you have Wisteria, you know what I'm talking about. But I think that's it for today. I'm going to try and get another tree before it gets pretty dark. But if you watched so far, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. And then I'll see you guys next time. See ya. Bye-bye.